My favorite camera gear as of now is... What's up, filmmakers and content creators? I picked up this game-changing accessory from Temu of all places, and it is a wooden camera handle. You're probably wondering why the hell I bought a handle for my camera when it already has a grip, but stick around and I'm gonna show you guys why I picked this up. Now, first off, obviously, why wooden? I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I really don't like wooden things like that, but something about that, it just hit me different. I don't know why, like, something that is not normally on your camera, like, you don't see wooden things on the camera. But for me, I kind of just wanted something different from just like the all black. I know with it being wintertime, hopefully the wooden part keeps my hand a little warm, so we'll see. Now let's talk about stability and why I think this is beneficial. I put this handle to the test by comparing the handle versus just holding it handheld, and I'm not gonna lie, you'll see in the footage, but it definitely makes a difference. It provides a solid grip, reducing those shakes and bumps in your footage. Stability matters when you're on the move, because even when you don't have, like, my camera has the dynamic stabilization, you know what I'm talking about, it has stabilizer on it. But when you forget to put that on, because with mine, when I put on the stabilization, it zooms in a little. So if I don't want it zoomed in, then I would just take that off and obviously use the camera handle, so that helps a lot. And what I love about this is it has so many more access points for you to join other accessories to. It even has a cold shoe at the top and 2 cold shoes at the side, so that's very beneficial. And on top of that, just an ass load of points to just mount a bunch of different accessories to. A monitor, another camera, a GoPro, just to get some B-roll of you recording also. Just so many options. It's like a Swiss Army knife for camera rigs. It's crazy. One feature I do like about the handle is that obviously it has screws. I have a A7S3, oh, it's not S. I just have an A7 III here. I do have a cage, so I like that I can just screw this on to the cage rather than put it onto the hot shoe. It doesn't even have an option for you to put it onto the hot shoe, so make sure you have a cage if you buy this particular one. But I would definitely recommend buying this one. Like, any handle that has like a screw that you can screw onto the I don't know if cameras have like screw holes. I know like the FX3 does, but I would definitely recommend, if it doesn't, get a cage and attach this to the cage, because I've seen some horror stories of people putting it into like the hot shoe, the cold shoe, and the shit just separating, and there goes your camera, there goes the handle. So definitely get a cage for your camera. Aside from even having a handle, if you just get the cage, there's a bunch of mounting points. Just, it's more secure, so definitely recommend a cage. And on top of mounting points, and after I just dogged the cold shoe and the hot shoe, it has 3 cold shoe mounting points, so 2 on the sides, 1 on the top, so I do like that. I will probably use like the cold shoes for like my phone, just to attach it, just use it as a monitor or an actual monitor. I don't know, but it also has a screw here. I don't even know what size this is, but it's kind of big compared to all the other ones, but I don't know. But for now, what I use it for is mounting my phone as a monitor. I don't have a monitor yet. I'm still trying to up my accessory game, so we get in there slowly but surely. So I mount my phone. I might try and do, not necessarily a GoPro, but also have a Osmo Pocket 2. So I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I'll put something together and show you guys later, and you guys let me know what you think, or let me know in the comments below what you guys think I need to add to the camera handle and some beneficial accessories I should have. Now lastly, let's talk price. So this one on Temu in particular was $28.98 as the time I bought it. I know these get a lot more, not a lot more expensive, but like probably like under 100. But this, for what you get, I'm not gonna lie, I don't even know what else they could add to this to make this better, but maybe like a groove. I know some have like grooves for your fingers right here, but so far this is good enough for me. But if you guys have any more handles that you guys recommend, let me know in the comments. But if you're looking to level up your camera rig and just adding some more accessories, definitely recommend a camera handle. Now for the people that do have a camera handle, let me know, how do you mount it? Do you mount it this way, or do you mount it backwards? I know some people say do this way, but obviously it's always shown this way. I think I prefer this way forwards, but I don't know, I'm gonna have to try it backwards. They say it helps with like stabilization with the lens and everything, so I'll definitely have to try it backwards, and I'll let you guys know. Thanks for joining me on this budget-friendly camera accessory journey. And if you guys have any more camera accessories you guys recommend, let me know in the comments.